health warriors. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we talk about natural health, healing fruit, and tips for living your best life, especially if you are over 50, 60, or 70 years. If you are storing common food in your refrigerator or fridge, it is high time you stop, because food might lose nutrients, change texture, or even become harmful for your digestion and overall health. Refrigerating all foods might seem like the safest option, but it's actually a common misconception that can lead to spoilage and nutrient loss. This misconception likely originated from the fact that refrigeration can slow down bacterial growth. But it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Different foods have a different storage requirement, and refrigerating them unnecessarily can do more harm than good. In addition, refrigeration can lead to a loss of essential nutrients in certain food. Fruit and vegetables can lose their vitamin C content when stored in the refrigerator. Certain food also undergo a process called ethylene production, which can be accelerated by refrigeration. This can cause the food to ripen too quickly and become overripe or spoiled. Food storage is not just about keeping food fresh, it's also about preserving its nutritional value and flavor. Here are some specific foods that seniors should avoid refrigerating, and each one of them have its own reason why refrigeration is harmful. Number one is tomatoes. Refrigerating tomatoes make them mealy and flavorless. More importantly, cold temperature breaks down the nutrients and antioxidants like lycopene, which are excellent for your prostate health and heart. Tips: keep them in a bowl on the counter out of direct sunlight. Potatoes. Cold temperature turns the starch in potatoes into sugar faster, making them gritty and oddly sweet when cooked. For seniors, this can lead to unwanted blood sugar spike. Potatoes are often stored in the refrigerator to keep them fresh, but this can actually cause them to become toxins. When potatoes are exposed to light, they produce a toxin called solanine, which can be harmful if ingested. Storing them in a cold, dark place can help prevent this from happening. Potatoes are often a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a nutritious addition to a healthy diet. When stored correctly, they can be a valuable part of senior diet. Onions. Onions becomes mushy or moody in the fridge, especially when stored with other vegetables. For seniors with digestive issues, this can cause bloating or gas. Onions are rich in antioxidants and have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, making them a great addition to a healthy meal. Garlic. Garlic loses its flavor and grows mold faster in the fridge. And you want garlic fresh because it's a natural blood pressure and cholesterol fighter. Tips: keep garlic in an open container at room temperature. Banana. Banana turns brown and mushy in the fridge. Worst cold slows down the ripening process, and bananas are rich in potassium. Great for seniors' health and muscle function. Tips: store at room temperature and eat when yellow. Honey. Honey should never go in the fridge. Cold temperature make it crystallize and harden. Honey also contains natural enzyme and antioxidants, great for immunity, which seniors need more than ever. Tips: keep honey tightly sealed in a cupboard or container. Bread dries out faster in the fridge. For seniors who already struggle with dry mouth or chewing, this is not ideal. Tips: store what you eat in a few days at room temperature and freeze the rest if needed. Avocado, unripe. Putting an unripe avocado in the fridge stops the ripening process, making it rubbery and tasteless. Avocados are full of healthy fat, good for your brain and joints, so enjoy them the right way. Tips: let them ripen on a counter. Once ripened, you can refrigerate to keep them a bit longer. Coffee or ground coffee. Many people think the fridge keeps coffee fresh. It doesn't. It absorbs moisture and odors from other food. For seniors, this means dull tasting coffee, and nobody wants that. Tips: keep it in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. Simple tip can make a big difference, especially for seniors, preserving nutrients, preventing spoilage, and even saving money. Proper food storage isn't all about flavor. It is about preventing unnecessary waste, preserving vitamin and antioxidants, supporting your digestion and energy, and keeping your immune system strong. Some refrigerated food can develop mold or bacteria harmful, or older adults with weaker immune system. Leave a comment below if you have been refrigerating any of these foods and what surprised you most. Stay healthy, stay informed, and I will see you in my next video. Indeed, learning never ends and nature heals. In case you don't know me, I am Refrigerate, and if you like natural remedies, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.